Well, hello everyone and welcome to music class. I'm Mr. Bricknell. Today's video is going to be a brief instructions on how to access the music studio and find the lesson you're looking for. So today I chose second grade music. The instructions will be the same, but you just might be looking for a different lesson. So today for second grade music, we're going to go into the music studio and find lesson number 3, This Little Light of Mine. So once you select the lesson from your daily plan, which your lessons will show up on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and so I believe this is next week's lesson on Tuesday for our second grade students. And so today we're going to complete in the Spotlight lesson 3, This Little Light of Mine. These activities will take about 40 minutes to complete. You're going to open the music studio to find this activity. You're going to open the music studio to find all of your lessons. All of your lessons are located on the McGraw-Hill Music Studio. So you select and open the music studio, and it's going to take you to a landing page that looks similar to this. And so, again, we're looking for second grade, but since I'm the teacher, I have access to all grades. So regardless of whatever your landing page looks like in the music studio, you want to select the book. So this is the front cover of your music studio Spotlight on Music book. It will be a different color for the different grade levels. This is the kindergarten version. And so we're going to select this book here, and it's going to take you to the very first lesson. Now, since I said we're doing second grade today, I'm going to switch to the second grade music studio here. So this is grade 2. So whenever you log into your page, this is going to be the first lesson that pops up. It's always going to be in the Spotlight lesson 1 every single time. So you need to go in and you need to find the lesson that you're looking for. So we said we're looking for in the Spotlight lesson 3. So all you have to do is select this banner up at the top. This happens to be kind of a teal color for second grade, and then you find the lesson that you're looking for. Now you notice at the beginning it says in the Spotlight lesson 3, and so we go to in the Spotlight, find lesson 3, and select it. There you go. So the first 4 lessons, and this is for all grade levels, the first 4 lessons are very introductory. There's not a lot to do. It kind of gets you started off very slowly. So there's no need to worry if you can't access it for a day or two. There's no need to worry because the first 4 lessons are very, very easy, very introductory. There's not a lot, if anything, to do other than to just kind of listen to a song here and there. So this is where you will find all of your lessons. So in the middle section here, you won't have any of the things on the left because this is for all the various grade levels. But the middle section, it'll have in the Spotlight, then it'll have section 1. And it'll say complete section 1, Spotlight on Concepts, unit 1, lesson, whatever. And so you select these different units in the middle, and it opens up a whole other set of lessons here on the left. And if you scroll down even further, they have section 2, and sometimes it will ask you to complete assignments or activities in section 2 in the various units. There's also a section 3 as well, Spotlight on Performance, and as well as section 4 here. And so we want to make sure we pay attention to what exactly we're going to be doing. So again, the lesson we were looking for was in the Spotlight lesson 3, This Little Light of Mine. But let's go to Unit 1, and I'm just going to select a random lesson here. So once we get into Unit 1 of Section 1, this is where our real lessons begin. And so this is, again, you're going to notice it looks the same. There's just a lot more to do. So we're going to understand the concept of rhythm, and our goal is to read quarter notes, eighth notes, and quarter rests. And so we have different activities that help us accomplish that. Anything that's highlighted yellow is going to be our vocabulary words, and you select that word, and it's going to bring up the definition. Again, more interactive activities. The song anthology here, that's basically a giant document that has all of the music that you'll use during this class. It's a big 200-page document with all of the songs. We have some listening exercises. We have some audio, some sing-alongs. Again, more vocabulary words. Quarter rest. What is a quarter rest? Find the quarter rest in songs. And then we have all of our songs and our interactive songs. In order to use these songs, you select the interactive box. You select start, which is kind of means load, and it loads up the song here for you. And then you can adjust it, you can play it, you can adjust the highlighting, the tempo, even change the key, all kinds of fun activities. Let's keep scrolling along here. Again, more orchestrations for ORF. Again, anytime it says document, it's just a big PDF document. It's an ebook. And we keep going along. Lots of interactive activities. We meet a musician. We do some more activities about reading. And then we come to our resource masters. This is another document. Anytime you see resource masters, this is kind of your online workbook. Now, when you select the document, it's going to take you directly to the page that you want. You'll notice this is page 14 of almost 200. And so you do this activity. Now, if you want to print out these pages and do the activities on the pages, that's great. Or you can just use these pages as reference and just write down the answers and copy them on a separate sheet of paper if you like as well. Not all the things you're going to do require you to write something down, so you don't need to print out all of them. Just make sure you understand the activities and attempt them while you're in the lessons. And then we'll keep scrolling down, and once you've finished everything in this lesson, you're all done. And then you'll go back to that landing page in the online school, and you'll select you completed this lesson. So again, this is just a really brief overview on how to access and use the lessons. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, since this is the first week of school, it may take some time for your online school account to connect to McGraw-Hill. If it asks you for any type of code from me, I do not have access to any codes for anyone. It should link up automatically. So if it doesn't, give it a day or two and let me know if you have any issues. Good luck. Have fun with these lessons. I look forward to speaking with you guys soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.